So in the previous video, we inserted pictures from the internet and put them in our letterhead. Now we're going to enter in text. So we are going to enter in the mailing address in the letterhead. So make sure that your insertion point is right here, okay, and make sure you just have the home tab selected. Now, they want the information centered in the letterhead, so we're going to click center. Now we're going to increase the font size to 12, and then we're going to go ahead and type in 15 Center Street, comma, Horizon, comma, MT, space 33568. Believe that's Montana. Okay, so we typed in the address. Now we're going to press space and we're going to insert a symbol from the symbol gallery. So we are going to go, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting a little dot to separate the information. So the symbol library is all of the symbols that are not on your keyboard. This could be anything along the lines of Greek characters, like the pound sign from the euros, greater than, less than, any mathematical formulas that are on your keyboard. This is all in the symbols gallery. So we're going to go to Insert, Symbol. And if you see the symbol they're going to have us do is not in here. You're going to go to More Symbols. Now, we're going to look, see if we can find it, I think. It's in here somewhere. Oops. The symbol they want is this right here. It's a bullet. So we're going to press Insert. And we did it. It's already done. It's up there. Then we're going to close. Now we're going to press the space bar again. And we're going to type phone : space. And I know this is hard to read if you're following along the book. 870 hyphen 555 hyphen. Oh, no, I'm sorry. There is no hyphen. The book is copied differently. 00. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press space again, go to symbol, and here's our recent symbols. We're going to click on this bullet again, space, and then we're going to type in email, applepark@world.com. So when we get rid of these the paragraph marks, it's going to look something like that. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to bottom border a paragraph. If you remember, the borders are solid lines that are either added above or below a paragraph, to the left or the right, or a combination of all of those. So we're going to click on the Home tab, and with the insertion point still in the paragraph to border, we're going to click this bottom border here. And it gives us a bottom border to have. Now when we press enter, it gives us this extra space. We don't want to do that. Instead, what we are going to do is we are going to press the enter key to let it auto correct here and give us a link we can click on. But what we're going to do is we're going to clear the format to return the format to its normal style. So we're going to go to Home. In the font area, we're going to go up here where it says clear all formatting. And then that will give us the link. We are, though, going to change it back to regular text. So if it's like this, that's okay. This is all part of auto formatting. We're also going to be doing other it's actually called, I'm sorry, auto format as you type. And what happens is when you press space after an email or after a web address, it will automatically give you a hyperlink. There's other ways you can do it. The quotation marks does it. The hyphens, if you do 2 hyphen, it turns into an M dash. If you put an asterisk, hyphens are create advanced sign, and then a space after it'll create a bulleted list. So it just basically Word tries to understand you and then adjusts accordingly. So what we're going to do is we're going to convert this hyperlink to regular text because you really can't see that. If you printed it out, it'd be even worse. So we're going to right-click the hyperlink, and we are going to display the shortcut menu, and then we're going to go and find remove hyperlink. So we just removed that hyperlink. And then we're going to go ahead and save the letterhead. So right now, this is our letterhead. So the next video, we're going to create the actual business letter. This letterhead you can use if you save it, like I said, you're saving it as a separate file. You can use this on another letter. You could just type the letter right underneath it rather than have to create the letterhead all over again.